Hello, this video is to demonstrate how the smart LEDs on the Fireye BurnerPRO flame safeguard work. When first powered, all the LEDs will flash as the control initializes. When the closed damper LED is on, that means the control is in standby. When the limit string is closed, the fan LED will come on, indicating the sequence has started. The open and closed damper LEDs will alternate, indicating the control is driving to the open position. Now that the control is in the open position, it is commencing its purge with the open damper. This will continue until it is complete. Now that the purge is complete, the LEDs will alternate again as the control drives to the ignition position. Now that it is in the ignition position, the ignition LED will come on and we can establish a flame. The blinking flame light indicates it is in PTFI. If I hold down the power button for greater than 3 seconds, it will enter the check mode. The status LED at the bottom will turn yellow, and the 5 LEDs in the middle will indicate the flame signal strength in increments of 20%. Right now, the 3 LEDs indicates a flame signal strength of 60%. If I move my scanner closer to my test flame, I can increase that to 80%. If I back it away, I can reduce it to 20%, 40%, or even to 20%. Now I am back up to 60%. If I want to continue my sequence, I take it out of check mode. I will resume PTFI with the blinking flame light. Now I am in MTFI, establishing main flame. And that is the auto LED, so now I am in auto and running as normal. Have established my flame successfully and I am running in auto. Now if I remove my flame signal, I will quickly go into a flame failure lockout. The status LED will turn red at the bottom, and the condition of the other LEDs will indicate to me my fault code, my lockout condition. If we refer to the manual, we can see that having a fan, an auto, and an ignition LED shows that we had a flame loss in auto as our lockout code. Hope that was informative, and thank you for watching.